Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Procore for submittals. So whether you are a contractor, project manager, or an architect, managing submittals efficiently is very important for smooth project workflows. So in this video, we will guide you through the entire process from logging in to creating reviewing and tracking submittals. So let's dive in here. So first, open your browser and navigate to your Procore login page. Enter your credentials and click sign in. And if you don't have an account, you may need an administrator to grant your access. So here, you need to have an access coming from your administrator, guys. So once you log in, guys, you will see the Procore dashboard where you can access various tools and features. To begin working with submittals, we need to navigate to the submittals tools. So here, to access submittals, locate the project tools menu on the left panel, scroll down and click on submittals. And here, this will bring you to the submittals dashboard where you can view all existing submittals, their status, and any pending actions. So to create a new submittal, you can click the Create button. You will be prompted to fill out important details. For example, the title, specification section, the type, and the due dates. So you can have here some key fields, for example, a title, here a descriptive name for the submittal, and then the spec section wherein the relevant section from the project specification, and then the due date. Here, this is the deadline for submission and approval. And next, you can attach relevant files such as the drawings, cut sheets, product data, or other required documentation. You can simply click Attach Files and upload your documents from your computer or Procore's document library. So in adding reviewers and workflow, once your submittal details are filled in, it's time to set up the workflow. So this includes designating approvers such as the architects, engineers, or the project managers. So here in the Procore, you can add multiple reviewers and set the order in which they review the submittal. You can also assign a due date for each reviewer, indicate if the review is sequential or parallel. And once everything is set, you can click Save as Draft, and if you need to review later, or submit to send it for review. And if you're a reviewer, guys, you will receive a notification when a submittal is assigned to you. And then to review it, you just need to go to Submittal section and then open the relevant submittal and examine the attached file. Here you will have several options here. If everything looks good, you can click Approve to move the submittal forward. And you can also add comments or attach a markup file to communicate required changes. So here, you can also export and share submittals. If you need to share a submittal outside of Procore, you can export it as a PDF. And that's everything you need to know about using this website, the Procore for submittals. So whether you are submitting, reviewing, or tracking submittals, the Procore makes the process easy and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Procore tips.